Tlogelang gown ya ka ke winter. Now I was just saying, my family has been in the public space the way let's say for too long, right? And sometimes ke ne gore ke dutse ke putse gore na mara e tlo kgonega gore go be le peace mara tšatši le lengwe because e kuša botlhoko o bone di-family di gathera di ya di-vacation di-family di dira di-family lunch go lwewa mara go tshwarelwana. Like, it breaks my heart, and I just wish that someday the situation can just be easy. Because truth is, the situation has been hectic for months and months and months and months. And le nna ke a duma gore whatsa e bereka dientong woman for like the network, like for ra record something, and it was gonna blow up. It was gonna ka re fame yone ra mogesho ke tsa re ya ratiwa. Like monna berto ya khole ge berkwana ha berto ya fair blind monna bero ba like untouchable. I'm telling you nke go ina le ntwela ya go tshwarelana, like, because at the end of the day, like, no matter how o got as nike le so nka try go hate a family member, there'll just be something that reminds you or kana this person onali the memories, beautiful memories le ena. You've been in beautiful spaces together at some point. And I get so now because of Inge, there are fights, but my wish, now where I stand, I just wish, there can be peace and love again. That's my wish, because I feel like the public has mocked us for too long. Ba itla di commenting jaka, ba moka bale, ba iya di commenting jaula, ba moka nna. You understand? And it has gotten to a point where I just feel like re tshega ke batho. And I just wish go ka re pride ka beiwa aside and just gore wa senaganiwe gore mang o ne le bokae mang o ne leng. Ra no ba re le bana ba moloko ka moka ditlogolo digadi ra no dula ra bangatana e teng. That's my wish, and I guess God's timing is the best timing. Mara ke a le duma ge ke bona lena the public le tshwarelana le meloko a lena le ba ngatana e teng, It is my prayer every day, but God knows my heart. God knows the truth, and someday it'll work out, hopefully.
Hello, Mzansi Gossip Girl. Esther Motsepe released this statement on her social media accounts, and then the title is media release. Guys, is it not supposed to be press statement like heading, and then are directed to? It's supposed to be to Motsepe family and Motlatjo aba mo ke di era tše dintši. Lebellang, directed to Motsepe family and Motlatjo Morongwa, Mogale and Molaodi Motsepe. For someone that is educated like Motsepe, like there's just so many errors. Like la bona grammar ya siona. Isantšhebe to Motsepe family, Motlatjo, Morongwa, Mogale and Molaodi Motsepe. Anyway, let's continue. I've spent a lot of time reflecting on what happened between us as the Motsepe family, and I wanted to reach out to offer you a sincere and unconditional apology. I am deeply sorry for the public videos that I have posted. Please note that my videos are not directed to you and have no intention of harming you directly or indirectly. I have brought our family issues to the public, and I realize how much my actions hurt you and I've let you down, and for that I am truly sorry. I'm not going to offer you any excuses or try to justify anything, but this is an excuse, Mzansi. Listen to this sentence. Ere, please note that my videos are not directed to you and have no intentions of harming you directly or indirectly. Like what you contradict. The video tša for 2 years, who were they directed to? It's like Nicki Minaj. Anyway, let's continue. There's no but here. I simply I fully apologizes to you as my family, oh my God, and as my blood. I value you and our family far too much to have treated you with anything less than the respect and love you deserve. I hate that our past social disagreements brought our family into disrepute, humiliation, and pain, and I wish all of this can be put in the past for the sake of love, peace, and healing. I know that saying sorry doesn't automatically fix things or erase the hurt, but I wanted to know that I take full responsibility. I am committed to doing better for the purpose of healing and peace. I understand if you need space or time, and I respect whatever boundaries you need to set right now. Whenever you're ready, I'd love the chance for us to sit down as a family and I'd be given an opportunity to apologize in person. Please know there is no pressure on your end. I would love to see our family restored and at peace someday. Our family deserve restoration and peace. Please know that I forgive everyone for any contribution that has brought us here. The public is advised to refrain from posting negative comments on social media pages to allow us, the family, to genuinely heal from everything that has transpired with love and sincerity. Esther Motsepe. A tlo re botsa gore when we should run with the narrative and when we shouldn't. You brought your family issues to the public. Ne le kwa WhatsApp group wena wa itlisha ka Facebook le TikTok. So, re tlo bolela. And another thing, I feel that this statement is not sincere. The same energy ever usang a dira di-video, she should maintain the same energy. Le ge a apologize, a tepona phosho, a je phone a record a re, I am sorry, nton. Ebile nkebe a dira apology, a bala the statement word for word. Then be re tlo feel gore it's coming from the heart. But o roga batho ka di-video, and then when you apologize, o ntsha di-statement. It's giving gore tšatši ba yang court and then a ntshe statement to say kare, but I'm remorseful, I did apologize. This is not an apology. This is like a backup plan type of thing. Ya go avoid go patela 160